Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, gearheads and classic car lovers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic American cars ever built, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Whether you're into vintage style, muscle, or automotive history, the 57 Bel Air is a ride that commands respect and admiration. Buckle up, because this is a trip down memory lane you would not want to miss. History and background: the year is 1957. Elvis Presley rules the radio. The Cold War is heating up, and America is riding high on post-war optimism. Suburbs are booming, families are growing, and the open road is calling. Into this atmosphere rolls the third-generation Chevrolet Bel Air, a car that would go on to define the decade and become a cultural icon. The Bel Air nameplate had been around since 1950, but it was in 1957 that Chevrolet truly hit a home run. The 57 Bel Air was the final iteration of the Tri-5 Chevys, a nickname given to the 1955, 1956, and 1957 models, and it was arguably the best of the bunch. Design and style of the 1957 Bel Air was a head-turner then, and it's still a showstopper today. With its bold chrome accents, distinctive tailfins, and gold anodized trim on V8 models, the car oozed 1950s flair. The wide front grille and twin spear-shaped ornaments on the hood added a sense of motion even when the car was parked. Available is a two-door coupe, four-door sedan, convertible, and even a station wagon, the Bel Air had something for everyone. The hardtop coupe, with its pillarless design, became a favorite among collectors and car show enthusiasts. Inside, the Bel Air wasn't just stylish, it was luxurious by mid-century standards. Two-tone interiors, stainless steel trim, and plush bench seats made it feel upscale. Chevrolet even included a clock and a cigarette lighter as standard small details that reflected the car's commitment to comfort and class. Engine options and performance: you could find everything from a basic inline-six to a variety of small block V8s. The most talked about option, the 283 cubic inch V8, which, when equipped with Rochester fuel injection, delivered a then impressive 283 horsepower. That's 1 horsepower per cubic inch. Not bad for 1957, this made the Bel Air a formidable street machine and even a serious contender on the drag strip. Transmission options included a 3-speed manual, a Powerglide automatic, and the new Turboglide, Chevrolet's answer to smoother acceleration. Although the fuel injection models were rare and expensive, they paved the way for future performance innovations in the muscle car era. Cultural impact of the 1957 Bel Air quickly became more than just a car. It became a symbol of prosperity, freedom, and the American dream. It appeared in movies, music videos, and on TV, helping it cement its place in pop culture. From surf songs to drag races, the Bel Air was everywhere. Its influence extended beyond just aesthetics. The Bel Air's success also helped cement Chevrolet as a dominant force in the American automotive market, setting the stage for decades of innovation. Collectability today: fast forward to today, and the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is one of the most sought-after classic cars in the world. A well-restored example can fetch anywhere from $40,000 to over $150,000 depending on the condition, originality, and trim level. Restomods restorations with modern updates are also hugely popular, blending classic styling with modern suspension, braking, and electronics. Still, for purists, there's nothing quite like a bone-stock Bel Air, just as it rolled off the assembly line. Whether you're showing it off at a car meet or cruising down Route 66, the 57 Bel Air turns heads and sparks conversations. So, what makes the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air so special? It's not just the iconic tailfins or the throaty V8 rumble. It's the feeling it gives you, that sense of nostalgia, craftsmanship, and unfiltered Americana. It's a rolling time capsule from an era when cars weren't just transportation, they were an expression of identity. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone who just appreciates beautiful design, the 57 Bel Air deserves a spot on your radar and maybe in your garage someday. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, do not forget to like, subscribe for more classic car deep dives. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your wheels rolling. Goodbye.